Good day, guys. Good day, guys. This is Mr. Shah. Welcome back. Welcome back to another video. Guys. It's a must that we need to talk about the artificial intelligence, the AI. Right now, we are actually in that particular time of the artificial intelligence, and we can't run away from that. Artificial intelligence has been around for quite some time, and then right now you have crypto tokens that are actually influenced by or that are built with artificial intelligence or AI, which are actually making massive waves in this crypto space. Now, before we get into all that, guys, I want you guys to actually subscribe to the channel just to support this channel, and also to actually hit that notification button as well, and make sure that you leave the comment on the comment section. Remember, guys, anything that I'm going to share with you guys here, any project that I'm going to share with you guys today, is not actually any financial advice. It's just my personal opinion and the research that I've done in this particular project. So, guys, I want to give you a project that you can actually look at, project that you can actually buy, as we are actually exploring all the tokens that are actually built on the technology, or that are actually into the artificial intelligence or the AI. Now, before we get into that, I want to look into another post that I posted yesterday, where I talked about artificial intelligence or AI significant impact on the crypto space. Read for information sake. So I was sharing this with my followers on Facebook to say, guys, now when you look at the impact that the artificial intelligence has already made in the crypto space, we need to look at things like trading. Right now, we are saying that AI algorithms have been developed to assist traders in making more informed decisions by analyzing large amounts of data from various sources such as news, social media, and market trends. These algorithms can execute trades at high speed and make predictions about price movement with high degree of accuracy. So now we are looking at actually how artificial intelligence actually impact cryptocurrencies. Now we need to look at crypto trading, because when you are using this kind of, or when you have artificial intelligence in the crypto space, you can be able to actually look at things like trading, whereby you can hear that you can be able to execute where is that? You can be able to execute trades at a high speed and make prediction about price movements with high degree of accuracy. That is the first thing that you need to look at when you're looking at the impact of AI into the crypto space. And also the other advantages that we have, or the other impact that we've seen of AI in the crypto space, is fraud detection. Now, AI is also being used to detect and prevent fraudulent activities in the crypto space, such as fake cryptocurrency exchanges, phishing scams, and other types of cybercrime. Now, we have quite a lot of scams. We have quite a lot of projects that are coming out just to actually scam people and all those kind of things. And us as humans, we can't really sometimes be 100% accurate. Now, when you have AI on the other side also doing that kind of a job, it becomes easier, because now when we are actually putting our money into the crypto space, we are putting our money into crypto assets that we know that these crypto assets can actually be a good project, because you don't want to be in a position where at the end of the day you have invested your hard-earned money into any project to only find out it is scam. Now, we have already had quite a lot of crypto assets. In a day, we have more than 1,000 tokens that are coming out. So it is difficult for us as people to sit down and research one by one, or all of them one by one, because it is just impossible also when you're looking at time, right? So that's why you need the AI or the artificial intelligence to come and assist you with these kind of things. And also the third thing that we look at portfolio management. If you want to really have that portfolio, like to manage your portfolio with the AI, it becomes simple, because AI is being used by some crypto funds and asset managers to optimize their portfolio management strategies, you see. So you can also be able to use AI for portfolio management. And the other thing, you can look also market prediction. If you want to know, or maybe the direction of the market, you can always go for also the AI as well. And also maybe for blockchain security as well. It's very, very important, because we need actually the blockchain to be secured at all costs. You can see now here they will say that the AI prevent 51% attack, right, which occur when a single miner or group of miners control more than 50% of the blockchain network computing. So this is what actually you need to look at when you're talking about AI. And with that being said, guys, we need to also look at some of the projects that are doing so well actually in the crypto space, which are actually the AI projects or the artificial intelligence projects. And we can't talk about those projects without talking about this particular project called the SingularityNet. right? AGIX, you can call it AGIX. It's a project that is built on the Ethereum network. A very wonderful project, guys. And if you can go down, you can see that from its all-time low, that was actually you can see that it has made more than 5,000 percent. And right now, you can see, guys, that all-time high of this project was back in 2018, January 28, where it reached 0.9. And now, if you look at the current price of the project right now, is 0.3. So obviously, it has corrected. This is what I always happen. This is what I always say to you: never, 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 never buy the project that is pumping. You don't buy the project that is green. What you simply do, you actually wait for the project to go red, and then you can be able to get into the market, or you can be able to execute that particular trade or that particular project that you want to buy. You can always buy when it's red, and you sell when it is actually green. Now, if you look at this project, guys, if you look at the market cap of the project, if you come here, you will be able to see that the market cap of the project is almost $500,000, which is quite huge for me. But when you look at this kind of a project, you can see that it can even go beyond, or it can actually make a huge, you can actually make huge returns from this project as well. And then also, if you look at some of the crypto assets that you can find, where you can find this project, you also have Binance at the top of the list. Binance is actually one of the biggest crypto exchange that we have in the world. So you have Gate.io, you have Bitmart, you have KuCoin, you have all these big exchanges that have listed this project. So I want you guys to go and check it out. And also, if you look at also the current market, if you look at the current chart of this project, you'll see that it's been green from uh, from yesterday around 21:45 p.m. You see, this project has been going. It has been pumping. It has been pumping. Let's just check out also the profits, how much one could have made from this project. Let's check the price range. If you look at the price range from here, you will be able to see. Okay, let's do this. Let's actually do this. Okay. I want us to look at this, guys. You look at this tree here. Now, you could have made more than 13% if you were actually, if you bought this project last night, just last night. You could have made roughly about is it, what is it? Okay, okay. Now, okay. Now, if you look at this project, guys, you can see that you can, or you could have made roughly around 13.60%, which is actually amazing. Just overnight, you could have made that one. But the good thing about this AI project, guys, is that they've been pumping. We are currently at the bear market, but look at what is actually happening with this crypto assets, guys. Amazing stuff, amazing stuff. I want you guys to check this one out as well. But if you also look at the website, of this project, you can see they're saying that we are shaping the AI and the AGI network. Welcome to the next generation decentralized artificial intelligence. Right now, you can also explore the ecosystem. Obviously, we're going to look at that. But also, if you look at the vision, they're saying that Singularity is the world leading decentralized AI marketplace. If you have been into the NFT space, you know about the marketplace. It's a place where you can be able to buy all these NFTs. If you actually have been, or if you're actually part of the market of the NFT, this word can be new word to you. So right, so this is actually decentralized AI marketplace running on a blockchain. So it's an amazing. Now, when you have a technology or anything that is built on a blockchain, you're talking about something that is actually built on for eternity. That is something that can ever expire, or that's something that can ever shut down, because anything that you find in the blockchain can never be closed, can never be, and it's never run by humans. So meaning that the passing of someone does not necessarily affect that particular project or whatever that project is actually doing. So they are saying that it's running on the blockchain. Says our core mission is the development of the artificial general intelligence AGI for the beneficial technology Singularity. So this is just an amazing stuff. Go and check it out, guys. Go and read about every information that you can find from this project. You can read more about them. They are saying that the AGI development creating the foundation of the emergence of decentralized human level intelligence, open sourcing the creation of artificial general intelligence. Okay, now if you look at one of the things that I always advise people is to say, always when you want to invest into the project, always take time to look at the technology. You look at the use case, you look at the technology of the project, because that tells you a bit about that particular project before you even jump into the project. Now, when you look at the technology behind this project, you're looking about artificial intelligence. Now, you have to look at the AI marketplace. This is one of the kind, right? We have not heard about a lot about this, but you can actually check it out, guys. And also, you have the AI domain specific language, which is the DSR, and also you have about the AGIX token tools as well. You can go and read about that, the OpenCog Hyperion, right? And then also, if you go down there, you can be able to see a lot of things as well. Now, also, you can see as well, this is our Cardano and AI collaboration. It's more like partners and all that. Cardano community recently voted to set aside 500,000 US dollars worth of ADA tokens in the funding for the AI projects that deepen the partnership between the Singularity Net and actually the Cardano. So if you have projects like Cardano partnering with this project, it tells you in the bull run, this project, I believe it can do very well. But remember, this is not any financial advice. This is just my personal opinion on the project. So just go make sure that you go and check it out. Now, they have actually AGIX token advantage. Now, this talking about utility, governing, and voting, multi-chain token, and also staking, meaning that once you see a project with a staking, for me is always great, because now when people are buying that particular project, it also tells me about the longevity of that project, because when people are coming to buy, they're not just coming to buy and sell, but people they'll be buying and holding to actually make and accumulate those more profits that they'll be making if they are to stake that particular project. Now you also have ecosystem airdrops, amazing stuff as well right there. Okay, and then if you go down there, you can be able to see a lot of blogs. You can see the partners. You have Cardano, you have Hanson Robotics, you have Ocean, you have Swag, you have Toda, you have partners. And if you also want to partner with them, you can actually come and partner with them as well. And also look at the community down there. You can see Twitter, you can see Telegram, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, so many things, guys. You can check out on this one. Also, if you check on Twitter, you can see they have about 98,000 followers. This is a huge community. This is just a huge community. This tells you how much people are looking into the artificial intelligence. You can't, at this point in time, you can't ignore the artificial intelligence when you talk about the chat GPT. Now, it's just a massive innovation, but now when you put the two together, you create something that have never been seen before. Talking about the artificial intelligence and also the cryptocurrency. This is the greatest tech innovation that we've never seen in our time. So it's just an amazing stuff that, guys, you need to look at it. Also, if you are that person who loves to read like myself, you can also go out and check out their white paper, because I always say don't buy a project before you know what the project is all about. And for you to get all information, detailed information, you need to always make time to read the white paper. Every successful cryptocurrency trader, investor, they make time for this paper, because this paper tells you everything about the particular project. Now, if you look at the ecosystem of this project, guys, you can be able to see that it is actually a huge ecosystem. You can actually come and check it out as well. If you can come and click here on ecosystem, you can check it out as well. But also, if it does open on my side, let me just wait for a bit and let's see if it will allow to open. Now, this kind of things, yeah, there we go. You can carry, this is the current ecosystem now, and they are saying it's a current ecosystem. That means there are a lot of things that are coming. Singularity DAO, you can see there, Refugee, Rejuve, right? And then also you can see Nunet, you can see Sophia Verse, you can see we can have Gemal Galaxy and Hypercircle Mindplex. You can see as you go down and also you have Singularity Studio. You have also a lot of things. This is actually the current ecosystem that they have. So go and check it out, guys. Go and check this project. For me, it's an amazing project. You don't want to miss out on this one, guys. Check it out and check all the information and then everything that you have to know before you buy into this project. I will actually be bringing another one and another one and another one that you can actually look at. As long as project is good, you good use case, good technology, good partners behind the project, huge community, and also the market cap if it's reasonable. And also, if you look at this project, guys, you can see that it's actually, if you go back to the overview here on CoinGecko, if you come down here, you can be able to see that this project is actually done by 59%. So it's actually done by 59%. So it's actually down, just you can actually be able to buy. This is the best time to buy as many as you can, get as many as you can, and work on that portfolio of yours. My name is Mr. Shah, guys. I'll see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget also to hit that notification button for videos like this. Until I see you guys on the next one, I'm out for now.